By focusing on wealth-building thoughts and feelings, you align yourself with the frequency of abundance, drawing it into your reality. This principle operates on the premise that everything in the universe, including money, is energy. When you emit positive energy through your thoughts and emotions, you attract positive experiences, including financial prosperity. Conversely, harboring negative beliefs about money repels wealth and attracts scarcity. The key is to consciously cultivate an energy of abundance. Many of us are conditioned from a young age to believe that money is scarce, hard to come by, or reserved for a select few. These limiting beliefs create a self-fulfilling prophecy, keeping us trapped in cycles of financial struggle. However, you have the power to break free. By embracing the affirmations in this program, you consciously choose to shift your mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance. You begin to see the world as full of opportunities, opening yourself up to receive the wealth that is rightfully yours. Within you resides the incredible potential to create a life of prosperity and fulfillment.